Hi yogis, and welcome to my Feel Good Yoga Flow for Beginners. My name is Laura, and I will guide you step by step through different yoga poses and breathing exercises to help you feel balanced in body, mind, and spirit. So let's start in a child's pose. Bring the big toes together, spread the knees as wide as you want, and then sit back on your heels, bringing your forehead to the ground. Arms above the head, palms facing down. Take a nice deep breath in through the nose, connect with your breath and body, and a deep exhale, letting go of tension and thoughts. Keep breathing. Keep centering yourself. And then walk your arms a little bit closer towards each other. Place the palms to touch, and then bring them above the head. Bring them up towards the sky. So here you'll feel a nice shoulder stretch. It's very gentle, very subtle. And slowly release your palms back down to your mat. And walk yourself up. Walk your hands towards your knees. Sit up tall. Bring your knees towards each other. Next we'll be doing cat-cow pose. So make sure that your knees are directly under the hips and the hands are directly under the shoulders. Inhale, drop the belly down and look forward. Exhale, round the spine, chin to chest. Inhale, head and tail go up. And exhale, head and tail go down. Inhale, open your chest, gaze forward. And exhale, round the spine. Keep going, do a few more. And come back to neutral spine. Inhale, we're going to do a neck stretch. As you exhale, look over your right shoulder. Shift your weight slightly to the left. Inhale, come back to center. And exhale, look over your left shoulder. Inhale, center. Exhale, look over the right shoulder. Inhale, center. Look over the left shoulder. Inhale, back to center, back to tabletop position. Keep your core nice and firm. Start curling your toes under. And then lift up the knees. We're going to a low lunge, so step the right foot forward in between the hands, making sure that your right knee is right on top of your right ankle. You can drop the left knee down. Feel free to uncurl the left toes. Keep your core nice and firm. Hug your thighs in towards each other. Inhale, raise the arms up towards the sky. Hold and breathe. Open your chest, open your heart. Slowly release on an exhale. Hands frame the foot. And then shift your weight to the back. Straighten out the front leg. And walk your hands just a little bit back. Flex your front foot. Inhale, raise the right arm up. And go for a little twist. Keep breathing. Exhale, release. Slowly shift your weight forward to your front leg. Bend the right knee. Curl the left toes under and then step the right foot back to tabletop position, and do a few cat-cow poses to neutralize the spine. Inhale, drop the belly down. Exhale, round the spine. Inhale, tabletop position, and get ready for the other side. Curl your toes under, lift up the knees, and step the left foot forward in between your hands, making sure that your left knee is right on top of the left ankle. Good job. Uncurl the right toes, and as you inhale, reach your arms up towards the sky. Open your chest, open your heart. Keep your core nice and firm. Ground through your front foot. Scissor your thighs in towards each other. You're doing great. Keep breathing. Exhale. Put your hands back down on the floor, framing your front foot. Inhale. Shift your weight towards the right foot, towards the back. Exhale, straighten out your left leg, flex your left foot, and walk your hands back in a little bit, folding the upper body slightly forward. Keep breathing. This is half splits pose, and you'll feel a nice hamstring stretch here. On your next inhale, raise the left arm up towards the sky for an open arm twist. Keep breathing. Releasing all the toxins. And slowly bring your left hand down. Inhale, shift your weight forward, bending the left knee. Curl the right toes under, lift up the right knee, and step it back to a tabletop position, to all four. Make sure that your knees are directly under the hips and the hands directly under the shoulders. Inhale, drop the belly down, look forward. Exhale, round your spine, chin to your chest. Inhale, head and tail come up, and exhale, head and tail come down. Inhale, lower the belly down, open your heart, and exhale, come back to neutral spine. We're going to child's pose, so bring your big toes to touch, spread the knees as wide as you want, sit back on your heels, bring your forehead to the ground, arms above the head, palms on the floor. Feel free to stay here, or option 2 is to add a shoulder stretch variation by interlacing your hands behind your lower back, and on the exhale, slowly bringing them up towards the sky, feeling the stretch in your shoulders. And you can always add a little bit of movement, very gentle and subtle. You can move your hands back and forth or from side to side. Work with your breath. Slowly releasing the hands down, palms under your shoulders, and push yourself up. Sit up tall. And then swing your legs forward. Come into a cross-legged position, preferably with one foot in front of the other, and spin your inner thighs down. We'll be doing a breathing exercise called alternate nostril breathing. It's great to balance out the left and the right hemispheres. Take your right hand, fold your index and middle finger in, and then with your thumb, we're going to close the right nostril, breathing in through the left. Then close the left nostril with your ring finger and pinky. Hold your breath, and as we exhale, release the right thumb, breathe out through your right nostril. Then we're going to breathe back in through the right nostril, close it with the thumb, hold your breath, and then release the ring finger and pinky, exhale through the left nostril. Inhale through the left nostril, close it with your ring finger and pinky, hold your breath, exhale, release the thumb, breathe out through your right nostril. Inhale, breathe back in through your right nostril, close it with your thumb, hold your breath. Exhale through the left nostril. So keep going. Remember, if you get dizzy or lightheaded, just let go of the exercise and come back to normal breathing. Keep going. Do a few more on your own. And finish with an exhale through the right nostril. Slowly release your hand. Place the palms facing down on your knees. Lengthen the spine, close your eyes, and observe your body, observe your breath with an open mind. Feel the spaciousness in your whole being. And remember, you are the sky. Everything else is just the weather. And let's seal our practice with an inhale, lifting the arms up, and as we exhale, arms going down. Again, inhale, raise the arms up, draw in all the love and light, positive energy. Bring the palms a touch above your head, draw it all the way down into your mind, body, and spirit. Palms in front of your face, in front of your heart in prayer position. Remember your intention. And also feel gratitude for showing up to your yoga practice today. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.